Shall we take a 5-minute craft break together? Hello, I'm Claire from Created the Ottaway, and this is the project that we are going to be making today in our 5-minute craft break. Now I've got 3 different sizes here. It's a triangle gift box and it is glueless, so there is no glue involved. In fact, there's very little involved, just some of your paper stash and a little bit of string or ribbon. So here we go. We're going to make the middle size. Now if you want to upsize this or downsize it, you just double the measurements. This measures 10 centimetres by 20 centimetres, and all we are going to do is score it halfway. So on the 10 centimetres, on the 20 centimetre side at 10 centimetres, we are going to score it right across the middle. Okay, like so. And then on the 10 centimetre side, we are going to score it or leave a little mark at the top and the bottom. So let me see, I'm going to do that with a little pencil here. So there's a little mark there, and then I'm going to come down the bottom and do a little mark there. So just at the point of 5 centimetres. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a score line from this middle score to that point. So I'm going to line it up on my cutting blade here, tilt it sideways until it matches up with my mark there. Okay, and then I'm going to score that. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to do the other side. So again, this point here, and I'm going to match it up with this line, this little score line there, just diagonally, and that turns it into a triangle shape. Okay, so I've got a nice triangle shape at the top piece of my card. I'm going to turn it round and I'm going to do the other end. So I find my middle score line, the edge of it there, and I move my card until it is lined up with the middle score mark I made there, like so, and like so there. Do this side and do another score line just on there. Okay, let's move that up there. So now this time, if I burnish the line going across, and then I do the score at the sides there and there. It's good to use 2-sided paper on something like this, and also any way up paper, which is paper that you can have any way round. Okay, and then all that happens is they go like that, and they go up like that, and that is your gift box. Now you could glue it closed, but what I like to do is make a little hole. So I'm just going to open it out, put those sides together, and then I've got a single hole punch, so it just does one little hole, and I do both pieces of card at the same time, just about there. Okay, so there's a hole on that side there. Open it out so I can get the punch in there again. Make sure that they are in line. Bring that over on that side. And look at that, all that room in there. I've got some leftover ribbon, so it really is a use up your stash project. Bring that over like that. It looks better if you've got both sides going the same way. Bring that round there. And now this could be perfect for a Christmas tree decoration, for a table party favour, all sorts of things. And resizing it is perfect for so many different gifts. So here we go. Ta-da! Here is your 5 minutes to craft break making a triangle glueless gift box. Happy crafting and thanks for watching. If you've loved this video and you'd like to see some more, click on the subscribe and you'll be notified of my new videos that come out weekly.